Hi, Michelle. This is Dr. Warren, and I'm going to do this once, so pay close attention. I'm going to give you a quick little Microsoft Word lesson, okay? So, first thing that I do is I click this little paragraph symbol here, and it shows me where you've done paragraph returns and where you've done spaces, okay? So this is a paragraph return, and if I hit the return again, it just keeps adding paragraph returns. And then if I hit a space like that, you can see what the space looks like, okay? This is this little symbol up here. It shows it, hides it. This tells me that you are trying to center things without using the center tool here, which is odd to me. So what you want to do here is to use the center tool, you would say something like, okay, here is my center text. Okay, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it a bunch of times. Let's hit some return. I'm hitting returns and I'm pasting it. Okay, look, here's my center text. I click the little formatting tool up here. I can center it, and now it's centered. Do you see? I don't need to space it. So if I take all these spaces out, right now it's left justified. Right now it's right justified. You see it popped over here. And now it's centered, okay? So that's how you do that part. You need to center your stuff instead of using spaces, okay? So once again, center them, okay? Now, the other thing I want to say is I'm seeing spaces here with your paragraph return or your indents, your first indent in your paragraph. So you don't do it that way. Use a tab, and as I use a tab, you see then that tabs that info in. Now the other thing that I'm seeing is you're putting paragraph returns when you don't need to. See? So again, don't force a paragraph return in the middle of a paragraph just to make it look good. Use your tab. But a better way to do it is to, okay, I'm going to get rid of that. You highlight your text, and then you say, okay, you go up here to this line and paragraph spacing symbol, pull it down, you go line spacing options, and you say spacing before, you want to say indentation, first line, and now from now on, all your first lines, you can see the image will be indented. Okay, so there's that one. Now to make this one, make everything else the same, you can highlight that and you can use your little paintbrush tool, and you can notice that I use my paintbrush tool and then get rid of your 5 spaces. And now this one's like that. Again, I click the paintbrush tool. So, sorry, let me tell you about this paintbrush tool. The way that it works, you click in the formatting that you want to have for everything else. I want this formatting. I like it. I copy that formatting, and now I go down to where it's not, it's the wrong formatting, and I highlight it, and it fixes it to be the right one. So let's do that again. Paintbrush tool, and it pops it in. I'm going to get rid of these spaces, and there's my hanging indent. Okay, all right. Okay, so now, Michelle, I'm going to go down and show you how to do numbers, bullet lists. Okay, this is, so you don't go 1 and then 2 and then 3. You do it this way. Item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay, the way that you do that is you highlight the list, go up here and say, make it numbered. Okay, or bulleted, either way. Okay, numbered or bulleted. Okay, and so here is your list, and I make it numbered. There we go. And then I get rid of all these little numbers that you hand typed in manually. That way, if you change something around, like I want number 2 to be down there, and I want the former number 2 to be number 4, you see? as you move things around, then the numbers auto adjust. Okay? Or if you wanted to make it a bullet, you can do it that way. Okay? Just a couple of hints on Microsoft Word. Hope that's helpful. Thanks.